So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today I've got a studio flat tour, student studio flat tour here in Leicester, guys. This is the student studio flat, so I'm going to give you guys a tour around the studio flat so you guys can get some sort of an idea how this place looks like. If you are interested in, getting some sort of accommodation. So without further ado, let me get you straight into the studio tour. And oh yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button as well and join the journey, join my squad, join the family. Okay, so without further ado guys, let's get straight into the studio. So obviously as you enter the store guys, you're gonna go straight ahead and go straight into the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area guys. Now let me give you some sort of tour. So here obviously you got your fridge guys. What I like about the fridge is that it's quite a big fridge, so that's what I like about it. And then as you move on to the top guys, you get your microwave right at the top, and obviously that's my cereal boxes. So that's basically what you get when you come into the entrance. I'm not going to show you guys what's in my fridge because whatever. So I'm going to first obviously show you guys the kitchen area. So I'm going to show you guys basically what else you get. So coming in through the door, obviously you get your kitchen area, small kitchen area but manageable obviously if you are staying by yourself. Sink, cupboards. Then you've got two stove plates, is that what you call it? Stove plates, whatever. And then you get your oven right here. Okay, so that's that. And then further on, if you move on guys, this is my one and only, let me zoom in for you, air fryer. So I literally brought it from home and brought it here for the time period. I should have actually shown you guys how this flat looked like empty before moving in, but anyway, hey ho, it doesn't matter. It is what it is. So I've got my air fryer here, basically do everything in my air fryer. So I just thought, okay, I'm going to bring it along. Kettle obviously brought along, and then you've got your cupboards. So obviously I'm not going to show you what's in my cupboards, but yeah, it's plates and that, snacks, more snacks. It's basically this guys, nothing too. And then if you move along to this side area, this guys is more storage in here, so you can store more stuff in here. So basically that is how the kitchen looks like guys, super simple. But right along the kitchen through this door guys is the bathroom. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the bathroom area, but first I'm going to show you guys this area here. So basically this is a call phone. If somebody calls you from outside, they will ring right through your studio flat, and then you can obviously answer and press whether you want to open for the person. So that's what you can do and do. Okay, then you've got this thermal heater. So this basically regulates the heater in the room. So going into my bathroom guys, if I open the door, this is how the bathroom looks like. Okay, gosh, I forgot my phone. So the bathroom is super simple. I'm going to show you guys how the bathroom looks like. So going in, when you walk in guys, it's super simple. So entering the bathroom is the basin obviously, and you've got a mirror as well. If you can't see that, there it is. And then when you go in guys, you literally got your shower here, which is nice because it's quite a big spacious shower. So if you want to, 3 people can enter the shower, if you know what I mean. But anyway, and this is what I was telling you guys about earlier. So basically this is your towel rail. So basically this regulates that over there, as I showed you earlier. So this normally heats up and gets warm, and then your towel can dry, but that's what it does. So moving along here, obviously you've got your toilet. So you've got the toilet here, and then you've got a bit of space obviously to put whatever you want to put. So the bathroom is quite small, but it's not, it's doable, it's manageable, if that makes any sense. Moving along into the main room, one thing I like about the studio flat guys, the fact that you've got a door dividing the kitchen and the bedroom. In my previous studio flat that I stayed in for my placements, there was no division. It was just basically everything was open plan. There was only 2 doors in that flat, and that was the door into your bathroom and the door out of the flat. But this time around, so I'm gonna bring you guys into the bedroom. So come along. This, guys, is how the bedroom looks like. So the bedroom came with a standard sofa, okay, at the table as well. It came with a bed and well as a desktop, and then you've got a couple of wardrobes here on the side. So let's go in and let me show you. So first things first, as you guys can see, is the bed. The bed comes obviously as a standard bed, guys. Everything else that I brought, all these shiny tiny things and that, I brought it myself. Now, so this is a double, but it's a small double, if that makes any sense. But anyway, it's fine for one person. It's doable, you know what I mean? So yeah, I got this cover or this bedding from Studio. It's a fur bedding, guys. I like all things furry, so yeah, I got that from there. The pillow from Studio as well, obviously, and cushion and whatever else. Some of the accessories, I'll link them down in the description box in case you are interested. And then, guys, I want to show you guys my carpet. This is a furry carpet as well that I brought along with me. Obviously, like I told you guys, I like all things furry, so I brought this carpet along with me as well. And then, moving over to that side, is the sofa. Now, in regards to the sofa, guys, I just want to show you that this sofa didn't come like this. This is my own blanket that I put over the sofa. The sofa initially just had this black, I believe it's like a sofa protector thing. And then I just obviously put a blanket over it, a furry, fluffy blanket over it, you know, just to cover it up and make it look nice. So basically, the bedroom came with a standard sofa as well as a double bed, or a small double rather, and everything else I brought. And then also it came with that table as well, where I have quite a bit of things on it. I try to make it as neat as possible, but hey ho. So it's a table that you can use to eat or do whatever, and it's up to you really. And then obviously the Studio comes with a standard TV. So you've got a TV obviously there. So that came obviously with the Studio flat. And obviously I've got my laptop there connected in case I want to do some sort of work. And then I want to show you guys this side here, if you haven't seen it yet. So basically this is the door I was telling you guys about, that's dividing the bedroom and the kitchen. And then obviously in here you've got your wardrobe, and yeah, that's basically everything you have in the Studio. And then there's that massive space, guys. That's what I like about this. The Studio also included a basic standard curtain, okay, so it came along with that as well. So this is basically the standard Studio flat. It's a quick flat tour because I don't really want to make it too long. I just wanted to show you guys what it's looking like and basically how spacious it is really. So I'm gonna tell you obviously how much I'm paying. Hang on, let me go and get my phone. So I'm only staying here for 17 weeks, guys. This is my first time, actually it is my first time staying on student accommodation. I normally stay in a private accommodation, you know, but obviously this accommodation is mainly for students only, okay? So I'm gonna leave the link to this place down in the description box below, in case you are interested or you like the way the place is. It is near Leicester University, as well as about 25 minutes walk to the Montfort University. Obviously, which is nearer to the hospital, but it's about 10 minutes walk to Leicester because it's nearer to Leicester University than the Montfort University. But yeah, so anyway, I was still telling you guys how much I am paying for this place per week, or I've paid already, because I'm only here for 17 weeks due to me obviously undergoing clinical placements. And I thought, you know what, it would be quite interesting for me to show you guys how this place looks like, in case anybody in the future is looking for a student accommodation to rent out. Obviously the student place, let me show you guys how much it is. So the Studio flat per week is £136. It comes obviously with Wi-Fi, electricity, all bills inclusive of all bills. So I'm paying £136 per week for the duration of my placement. So this is what it is. The Studio flat comes with what does it come with? It comes with this where you can do your laundry. I believe you have to pay for it. So I'm gonna quickly go and show you guys how that place looks like. So yeah, I believe it's £3 for a load of washing. So I guess if you're gonna do washing, just do everything in one go. So it's £3 for washing, guys. It's really, like I said, it's near to the shops. However, one thing I do know, if you guys are not, or you don't like too much noise, there is, looking out of that window, let me see if I can find it. There's literally a train track running right on that place there. Behind those trees there's train track. So if you're one of those people that's gonna bother you, then I would say then get accommodation elsewhere. For me, it doesn't bother me. So yes guys, this basically brings me to the end of my video. I just thought I should come on here and show you how the place looks like, and also if you are interested, I'll leave all the details of the studio flat down in the description box below, in case you are interested obviously in securing a place for the 2021 to 2022 academic year. And yes guys, I hope you like this video, guys. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos, and I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye.